Standing in line for Disney Sea. Look how packed it is. So we'll see you when we get inside. Oh, there's Australia! Wave! Get down! Get down! Oh, take a photo with your mom! Go take a photo with your mom! That's the oh my, I can't get over the buildings. I'm so amazed. It's like we're in a whole, I was going to say a different country, but we are. It's so beautiful. Didn't explain where we're going. We're going to Disney Sea and we missed out on the fast passes, so we're just going to do what we can right now. Yeah. As in normal lines. Yeah. In normal civilization line. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Anna, auntie. Wow. Oh my god. I don't know where to look yet. I know. Well, we can see Logan. Wow. Look at that. It looks so real. What is that? Like a volcano? Yeah, it looks like a volcano. Wow. Liana's still talking about food. All the buildings. Oh. Wow, look at that castle. Can you see that castle? Wow. It's like we just entered a different realm. I know, like, yeah, how we're in Japan, but now it looks like we're in, like, I don't know, Paris? Oh my goodness. Look at the buildings, they're just so nice. There's Auntie. She's ready for another day of walking. Laka, John.
What a wonderful day, boys.
Wonderful day.
Wonderful day.
Look at this. Like, okay, the setting must be like in Italy or something.
Looks Italian.
Boys.
Wow.
Jay, Sile, Jordan.
Where's my?
Thank you. We're gonna go find our first ride, so BRB. I'm hungry. World out here, honestly. Oh my goodness! It's like, where are we? So there's a volcano up there. Wow. Different world. Man, they know how to do. The Japs think of absolutely everything. Hold on. Say hi. Oh, Jordan. Say hi, Jordan. Where are you, babe?
Disney Sea, Tokyo, Japan.
Jordan. And foods, but just some. Okay. See ya. Bye. Bye. Man, this place is unreal. It's like we're on a setting of a Hollywood movie. Okay, we'll see you guys soon. So we're here to get some turkey legs. Yeah, for me. While we wait for everyone else to go on that ride. It's a roller coaster, so we stayed out. Turkey leg and some Coke. I think that's what me and Liana came here for. So we've been seeing everyone eat this. All that for, I think it was $8. Here you go, Auntie. Anyways, we're gonna go dig in. Bye. Cheers. Where's cheers? Look, guys, it's so. Oh, it matches. You know, the turkey leg. It matches with the times, medieval times, and the music. We're gonna dig in. Thank you, Lord. Bye. So good. I can't vlog.
Turkey's ass.
Go, Liana. So good. I wish we had Lisa. Man, this place is unreal. So we're in like an area, it's like Brooklyn, New York. That's what it looks like. And I think it is. Oh, it's so beautiful, man. So cool. Old school New York, that's what this looks like. New York Deli over here. And look, the lines just go far back. Like, American soil. Because I can see Broadway. Man. Toy Story. Oh my goodness. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm just gonna go. Lounge. Where's the lounge? What's in there? Oh, it's a restaurant. I made it on the ship, came all the way to the top deck. I'm gonna go back down now. Now, I don't know what New York is like, was back in the day, but it actually feels like we're in that time. Just the way everything looks, and I don't know. It's so cool. These guys did so well. Anyways, I'm going to disembark from the ship. Oh my, and she's saying to come. Oh my gosh, ignore that dumb behavior.
Yeah, look at the skybirds.
Now we have it.
I want fish.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Got Ben and Issa over there. So we're just having a break now.
Alright guys, I'm doing the vlogs now. Just finished lunch.
Yes.
Now we're off to.
We're gonna go look for a road.
Are we?
This is the map of the actual park. And we are looking for the closest road to go start lining up.
Malacca, TJ. Where's baby? Yeah, this is the view. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Pretty busy. Oh, man, all the singers look the same to me. Like, no disrespect, but wow, wow. Bloody giant, man. Put some height in yours, you reckon?
I wish everyone had a map. In Australia, I don't know why I'm eating for two. So Latino is getting piggybacked by tea. What a brat! Hi, son. Son. Look how beautiful this is. But it is so cold though. I will tell you that when we get there. Bye, Felicia. Okay, guys, so this is our Tower of Terror crew.
You guys do bind us.
Yeah, no, I was doing Final Destination. Yeah, I had a dream, guys. I had a dream, and you know what? It's okay. Are you okay? Wait, Anna. Yeah? Anna. And then we can start.
入り口付近立ち止まらず中までお進みいただきますようお願いします。それではここです。
呪いは本物だ。これ以上先に行ってはならん。私と同じ運命になるぞ。私の忠告を聞け。呪いは本物だ。死にきうとんで飲めや。早く逃げよ。まだ間に合う。さあ手を振ってこの世の自分に別れを告げたまえ。
Oh my god. I'm so sorry. Oh.
さあ手を振ってこの世の自分に別れ。
Gosh, guys, that was so terrifying. Show me.
Look at Roman. Look at Roman. Look at me, Jordan and TJ.
No, I'm literally so shocked at it fooled me.
Look at me. I'm like, Dad and Roman are like.
Kind of. Okay, ready? Pose. 1, 2. Okay,
All of you. All of you.
okay, ready? Okay, another one, and everyone yell out Japan. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Poulet. They look like a boy band. Oh my gosh. Hey. Oh my goodness. Aladdin. Wow. Look how cute these things are. Store guys. But look how cute these souvenirs are. And I will say they are quite cheap. Dreamworld and SeaWorld and all that, and they're all like, you know, crap. I'm not even a theme park person, but they're all pretty expensive in Australia. But when you come here, it's really cheap. I haven't seen
First, baby.
anything that's like $50 or $40 to be honest. I bought my cute little black hat. I bought my little cute black hat for, I think it was like $29, and it's really worth it. Where's Aladdin? We're in India. Oh, can you hear the music? Where? Honestly. Oh. Okay, hold on. Bye guys, I'm gonna record on my own phone. This is so cute. The detailing is by royal proclamation. Look at that, guys. There's even a whole so there's like this little gate, and then there's like a whole ass world down there. And then it's got the proclamation. Well, the royal proclamation, and then King Trident.
Okay, smile.
Is this your best one? Wow. All this. Triton's Kingdom. Oh my god. It's a whole different world down here. Latino's more of a Moana girl, but hashtag be grateful. Hey girl.
I wanna know.
Okay. So Latino's more of a Moana girl, aren't you?
I don't like Ariel.
Yeah, she doesn't like.
Moana.
She said she doesn't like Ariel, but she loves Moana. But you love Moana.
Yeah.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Mwah, like his. Wow. So pretty. Look, baby.
Look.
Baby, look. Yeah, she's not. But while we're here, just look at this place. Unbelievable. That's the roof. The floors are pretty cutesy. I do want to go on a ride, so. Oh, look how cute that is. Ariel's a traitor because she's a traitor. She abandoned her mermaid people for a man. I got no time to vlog. Bye, Felicia. Baby, say bye. Till next time. Till next time. Next world. Welcome to Agrabah. Agrabah.
Oh, it's a carousel.
果てしなく広がる青い海。それでは魚の大きさになって素晴らしい海の世界低装置解除。ここからはシーライダーの自動操縦プログラムが皆さんをお連れします。ボンボヤージュ。
Oh my god.
乗れ探検家諸君。お友達がいないのかな。にも。
いや、僕と一緒に行こう。
Nemo.
いってらっしゃい。海流の観察楽しんでおいで。海流に行くの。
私ドリー。
We're literally moving, guys. Oh!
その目でしっかり見てみましょう。流されないように気をつけて探検してきなさい。
パパ、ついてきたの？
まあね。最高最高。
ランチだわ。
迷子になる。クラゲライダー嬉しいぜ。クラッシュもう行かなきゃ。そうさ。
The high, the one, the turtle that's high. Oh my gosh.
みんな大好き。
Motion sickness. Sideways. Oh my gosh, so cool.
タッチ。鬼ごっこだ。君が上に。私捕まえて。
They're so cute. Oh my gosh, I want one of those.
鬼さんこっち。
Here at Fantasy Springs, we came to bring the princess to the Rapunzel's area. So
I wish I could go inside.
oh god, honestly, you're yawning. Let's go, baby. Go on. Go find her.
But she's fake.
Go on, find her.
She's fake.
Oh my gosh. Don't tell me I walked all the way here. Come on, baby.
Playground.
Yes, we paid for priority pass for this girl. Oh, look, baby.
生きてきた本当に大切なことに背を向け今夜は僕のそばで君が微笑んでるやっと見つけた僕のいる場所輝いている未来照らす光
Please remain seated for just a while longer. Thank you. 各位游客，请在座位上坐好。
Bye, Disney Sea.
Look, there's people.
Bye, Disney Sea. Everyone wave. Say bye, Disney. Bye.